In the world of logistics and supply chain management, inventory management is one of the most critical components. This process involves keeping track of all the goods and products, ensuring that the right items are in the right place at the right time. One of the most important aspects of inventory management is fulfillment. Fulfillment is the process of picking, packing, and shipping orders to customers. It's a crucial step in the process of delivering products to customers, and it has a significant impact on customer satisfaction. The first step in the fulfillment process is pick and pack. Pick and pack is the process of selecting items from the warehouse and preparing them for shipment. This process is critical to the success of any inventory management system, as it ensures that the right items are being shipped to the right customers. To ensure that the pick and pack process runs smoothly, it's important to have a well-organized warehouse. The warehouse should be easily accessible, and the items should be stored in an efficient and organized manner. This helps to minimize the time it takes to pick and pack orders, which can help to increase productivity and reduce errors. TGL provides its very own organized and efficient 3PL warehouse that minimizes the time it takes to pick and pack orders and helps ensure that your customers receive their orders in a timely and accurate manner.